How to change your notification settings in Slack. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to customize Slack notifications so you can control alerts for messages, mentions, and other updates. First, open the Slack app on your device. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Notifications. Now, choose how you want Slack to notify you. You can adjust notifications for incoming messages, threads you follow, mobile notifications, or turn notifications off or on completely. You can also customize notification sounds, notification schedules. Once you've made your changes, Slack will automatically save your preferences. And that's it. That's how you can change notification settings in Slack and customize your alerts based on your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and comment down below what tutorial you'd like to see next.